Fucking dog's scared of a cat. Lol. Cat's gonna have it. I can't believe the dog is actually scared of a cat. It's like the most
It's
pussy.
evil, that cat.
Most pussy dog I've ever seen. Look, he's squaring him off as well. Look. They're by female, yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Bitch fight much. Except for pussy and bitch against each other.
You're not even on the cat and dog, you're just putting on the Wendy house.
So yeah. Cool.
The dog tries to get the cat to bang her by backing up to her.
Yeah, cat's had enough. Dickhead.